As you guys know, I use the largest bag for food delivery. And one thing I've noticed is that I love the bag. I like that it opens this way, but I found there's an issue already with it. So first of all, the zipper, it's absolutely falling apart. So now, half the time when you're closing it, it opens up here. It's just kind of running off, but sometimes I manage to get it going. It just, when it gets to here, it kind of stops. Of course, this is the 20 by 20 by 20. It's a nice square. And in Europe and in China, they actually have hard cases. I think that would be ideal at this size, because one thing I did when I first started, I bought a small bag. And with that small bag, I was not really able to pick up 2 deliveries. And when you're doing multi-apping, you are putting sometimes 4 in here. That's right, I've gotten this thing all full and went for deliveries. Now, one thing I like is the front opening, but there's a problem, is that it uses a zipper, and so the zipper has already gone bad, and I was hoping on using this bag for a while. So I really like this bag. It's by packr. I have the link in the description. It's really good. And I think if I was to get the manufacturer to do it differently, I would have the zipper, a more robust zipper, but also some sort of flap that has Velcro. See, I actually tried to attach a Velcro thing here and it just wouldn't take. And you see, like, it's the stitching, it's coming apart. And also, one thing I don't like is these buckles. These buckles are too far down. It needs to be higher up so you have some way of pulling it. And the buckles have broken off, and it's just not a good way of putting it. But I love the bag. I just wish that these little things were a little bit better from the factory. And of course, there's the fading of the plastic. Now, here's something that I just bought. I bought this used. It's the same version, but I got it locally, so I kind of got a good deal. And I'm going to be installing this on my PCX, and I'll be putting this one on the ADV 150. Now, the reason I'm putting it on the ADV 150 is that this is a side opening, and this one is a top loading with Velcro. And the PCX is much lower than the ADV. So if you were to take this on the CRF or ADV, because it sits so much higher, you're not going to be able to see where you're putting stuff. So it's going to be a pain in the ass. So this is the better bag for the PCX. So this one is the large packr 140. I really recommend that. I have the link in the description for that one. And this is the packr 90, which is the 18 by 18 by 18, 20 by 20 by 20. So now the big differences really are, this one is top loading with Velcro. You just gotta rip it up. And it does have Wilson's system, because I bought this used, and it's just like corrugated board, it's really brilliant the way he did it. I recommend it. And I'll put a link in the description for his kit. So it comes with all of this stuff. And there's it's got the drinks thing in here. He did a great job. And this is a smaller bag, top loading. And then this one, of course, is the front loading with a zipper. And I love it because, you know, as you're like putting stuff in here, you can put the bags of food here. And of course, I have my own little Velcro thing, which actually works out really well because that absorbs a lot of the vibration. And you can put large pizzas in here. I don't know if this one, I can fit a large pizza. I might be able to. But for me, the side loading is a plus. It makes it easier. Now, the downside is that on the ADV 150, it's so much higher up. I mean, the bottom here actually hits me right about my stomach. And on this one, it's several inches shorter. So this makes loading easier. Now, The reason I don't like this 18 by 18 as much is that, let's say you have a pizza, right? You're putting it in here, and I don't know if a large one will fit. It might, 18 by 18, and this is a little more flexible, but you have to be very careful picking up at pizza places. The PCX is a better bike for delivery just because it's shorter, easier to get in and out. This one's taller. This one's got a 2.1 gas gallon tank. This has got a 1.6. So that makes this one worse in the range department. But I believe that the new PCXs have the keyless ignition and they have the larger tanks like this one. So if I could get the new PCX, I probably would. But the big issue is that the little PCX has got 30,000 miles. I hit 30,000 miles on this thing. Really incredible. And it rides absolutely perfect. It needs a little work here in the brakes and there, but man, it is just so good. Such a good scooter. And on this one, I love it. I love the soft suspension. You can jump off of curbs with ease. It is nice. It is a really great scooter. The hump is a little tall, so I'm constantly hitting this. And I wonder, could I get some sort of protection for here? I don't think there's a lot of aftermarket for it, but yeah. So I'm going to be doing a little delivery on the 18 by 18 packr bag. I really wish it was side loading. I might like mount it sideways because the loading this way is much nicer. But I'm probably going to be ordering another one of those. All right, guys, just wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the two bags and the flexibility of each. And hopefully I'm not going to have crazy large deliveries that won't fit on that one. This one, I have never had any issues. Like, it's so big, you can carry multiple orders without any worry. You know, you go to a pizza store like a Pizza Hut. There's things I cannot carry from Pizza Hut on that one that I can on this, just because of the side loading. All right, guys, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.